Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, let us talk about input and output. So the purpose of creating an application or creating a software is to get some data from a user, do some processing and give an output. Let us take a basic example of a calculator. In a calculator, we give some instruction as well as data, maybe 7 plus 5. So we give some instruction regarding the addition and we give some data that is 7 and 5. So all the application runs on input and they have to deliver some result that is known as output. So it means that first of all we need to learn about how to give input to our program or how to take input from a user, and then we can use our own function, we can use our own logics to do some processing, and then how to give output. So these two are really important process, and the processing part, that is the middle part, we'll be learning about that throughout the process. You will learn about functions, you will learn about modules, you will learn about how to write script. So all these things are that middle part. But for that we need to understand how to take input and how to deliver output. So to provide input to a computer or a program or any application, Python use some statements and that statement is called as input. And for providing output, we know we are using print. So we have tried about print hello world. And you already know the basic how to print a particular string or a particular statement. Now before delaying more time, so let us get started with our input and output statement. First we will be understanding about output statement, we will be understanding how to do formatting, we will be understanding how to deliver different output results, and then we will be talking about input statement. So from the next lecture we will be start playing with print and input.